Hey everyone, and welcome back, your go-to source for all things in Photoshop. Today we're diving into another powerful tool in our editing arsenal, the Burn tool. If you are ready to add a depth, drama, and definition to your image, you are in the right place. So let's get started. The Burn tool is a fantastic feature in Photoshop that allows you to darken specific area of your images. Whether you want to emphasize shadow, create a moody atmosphere, or intense texture, the pen tool has got you covered. To find the burn tool, look at the hand icon to the toolbars, and you can find it might be hiding under the DOS tools, or you can find the DOS tools and the sponge tools and just click on the burn tools, and you'll see the burn tool as an option. So before we jump into let's explore the burn tool settings. You can adjust the brush size and also the hardness if you want to use. Like, I can just increase the hardness and I can decrease the brush sizes and play around the settings, like the settings to achieve the desired effect to your specific image. So if I use the shadow, it will give me the shadow. You can change the pressure, like I can just use this one, that can be 50s, and like here now I want to apply in here, and this one now you can see it comes as a shadow in there. So this way you can see this comes as a shadow and there, and here we can now use this one as a burn tool. Okay, and you can also use for like the mid-turns in there, and also you can use here, get the different mid-turns instead of the shadow, or you can just, let's talk about something basic techniques to darken the area. Simply click and drag the burn tool over, like I can just use this one and I can use here this way, or now you can see it gives you the burn, or you can just adjust the exposure settings for more subtle and intense results. Okay, and so there you have it, a quick guide to mastering the burn tool in Photoshop, and also experiment with it to get creative, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.